Okay, now the toilet's done. You can see the toilet's nice and clean, okay? You can see you've got some nice disinfectant sitting in there that's going to continue to kill any germs that goes in there over the next few hours or for a while anyway. But you want to make sure that you get behind the toilet. A lot of people miss this. We're not going to clean the floors, that's a different project, but the baseboards back here are very difficult to reach. But make sure you get right back there, and this is just the disinfectant water from the sink again. You want to dust it all off, because sometimes you get splashes from the toilet, occasionally, but get right back there and clean the baseboard, just like you clean the crack around the bottom of the toilet. You just want to get any dust that's sitting back there, and make sure you do both sides of the toilet as well, because there's nothing worse than seeing dirty, grimy build-up of dust and just discolouring of your baseboard behind your toilet, because it can go kind of brown, especially if it gets damp down there. And then just follow it up with a little bit of a wood shining protecting product. I would just wipe that down so that it's not damp anymore. You don't want to leave wood damp, it'll go mouldy. So just put a little protectant on top of it to make it shine, and it feeds the wood, it nourishes the wood, okay?